So Boris Gallison, Lima Sales and Marketing Director for the company. I'm very happy to have the ability to speak to your readers today at Meeting Point. So Lima company, we are synonym for quality in separation. We make meat-bone separators, deboners and grinders, desinewers. This is all that we do, and we do it the best. So we are very happy again to be here at the VIV Asia 2025 edition. We've been participating in this show for many years with our distributor here in Thailand, KW technology company. And so for the show, we're exhibiting one of our, I would say, all-rounder meat-bone separator to produce the highest quality of mechanically separated meat out of poultry at very high yield, optimal texture, a very low temperature rise, all the quality that you could expect from Lima, basically. Of course, we are not only promoting this in the region in Asia, there's also a growing demand for grinders, desinewers. So in that case, it's completely different market. It's the ability from basically meat trimmings. It could be poultry, but it could be also red meat, to get the most of it. That is, grinding that meat and producing a true ground meat, which is not mechanically separated meat. And at the same time, separating all the hard parts, which are tendons, sinews, bone bristles, any hard connective tissues that you can dream of. And this is what we do with Lima, separating the hard from the soft by a mechanical means. So if you want to learn more about us, come and meet us at VIV Asia.